Hey everyone, Sandeep here from 99signals.com, and in this video, we are diving into one of the most exciting AppSumo deals I've seen this year. It's called the AI Studio Bundle, and for just $39, you get 1 year access to 3 powerful AI tools that would normally cost $756. Here's what's included. First, you have Fathom AI, a Zoom or Google Meet companion that automatically records and transcribes your meetings and then uses AI to give you clear, actionable summaries. It's perfect if you're tired of taking notes or trying to remember what was said in a call. Next, you have Speechify, a text-to-speech tool that creates high-quality voiceovers using natural-sounding AI voices. Whether you're producing social videos, podcasts, or audiobooks, Speechify saves a ton of time and effort. And finally, there's HeyGen, the tool we'll be focusing on in this video. HeyGen lets you turn any script into a polished AI avatar video in just a few clicks. No mic, no camera, and no editing skills needed. If you've ever wanted to create talking head videos without being on camera, this is the tool to watch. The AI Studio Bundle is only available in limited quantities, and once it sells out, it's all gone. So if you want to grab lifetime access to HeyGen and the other tools included in the AI bundle for just $39, you'll find the link in the description below. Now let me show you what HeyGen can do and how to create your first AI avatar video in under 5 minutes. Right, this is the HeyGen dashboard, and right now they're promoting their latest model, which is Avatar 4. It's supposed to be a very advanced model compared to the previous avatars that they've used. So this is also the quickest way for you to try this tool out. So you can just hit the try avatar button. You can either select one of the sample photos here, or you can just upload your own photo, and you can give a script, select a voice, and your AI video will be generated in a matter of seconds. So let me just click on a sample photo here, and if you just want to test this tool out, if you don't have a script ready, you can just hit the surprise me button. What it'll do is it'll either pick an audio clip from a movie or a show, or it'll simply generate a quote like this. For the purpose of this demo, let me just enter some text from my website, and based on the photo you've selected, it'll also pre-select a voice for you. You can change that by going here, and you can use the filters to test out different voices. But for this demo, let's keep things simple. Let's go ahead with what HeyGen has selected. And remember that Avatar 4 is only for vertical videos. If you want horizontal videos, if you want landscape videos, then you would have to go through the regular process, which I'll explain in a bit. But if you want quick 60-second, 90-second videos with Avatar 4, then you can just hit the shortcut button that is there on your dashboard and get started with your videos. So once you've selected all of this, once you've selected a photo, you've entered the script, and you've selected the voice, you can just hit the generate video button. So these are the 2 videos I created with HeyGen's latest avatar technology, which is Avatar 4. The first one uses a clip from Braveheart, the Mel Gibson movie. So you can see that the character is a little more animated, and the video also has a cinematic quality to it. So let me just play that out for you, and you can judge for yourself.
Here in defiance of tyranny, you've come to fight as free men, and free men you are. What will you do without freedom? Will you fight?
And let me just play the recently created video where I entered my own script. It was simply a one-liner which explains what my tool does. So let me just play that video, and then you can compare these two and see which one you prefer.
Work New blends AI matching with human curation to help you hire smarter, faster, and more confidently.
I don't know about you, but I liked the previous output a lot better. Maybe because we were playing an audio clip from Braveheart, and the character also seemed a lot more animated, and the video had a cinematic quality to it. The second video, the delivery was a little stilted, and you could probably make out it's an AI video, and it just wasn't very natural sounding. But I feel Avatar 4 is still a pretty good way for you to create these AI videos, these short AI videos that you can use on your social media channels like Instagram or TikTok. And it'll only get better with more and more improvements coming to AI. So it's a pretty good way for you to create these short clips which you can then share on social media. But if you want to create landscape videos which are longer explainer videos, or you would simply want something that is more suited to the style of YouTube, then you can use the main video maker that they have. But before we go there, I would just like to show you the massive library of avatars that they have. So you have the option to create your own avatar. You can upload a video clip of you, or you can just simply upload a photo, and then you can also upload your own recording to show the tool how you sound, and based on that it will create an avatar for you which will sound just like you. If you don't want to use your own lookalike avatar, then you can select any of these avatars that you find below. You can use the filters like professional, you can see lifestyle avatars, you can see user generated content, you can also see AI generated avatars, and there are a lot of avatars for you to choose from. So there is no shortage of avatars that you can choose from when it comes to this tool. There are some other AI video makers out there which give you a limited set of avatars, but when it comes to HeyGen, they have a very diverse set of avatars, and you can just pick and choose from any one of them. They also have a lot of voices for you to choose from. Like I said, you can even upload your own clip and then create a voice clone that is pretty accurate. But there are over 1,400 voices that you can choose from, different accents. You have the American accent, you have Australian accent, you have Indian accent, though I was not very impressed with the Indian accent voices that they have. They can do a lot better there. But these are all the different voices that you can choose from. These are all the different accents you can choose from. But you can just play around with this tool until you find a voice that resonates with your brand. Now, to create your first video, you can just hit the create video button, and you can select whether you want a portrait video or a landscape video. So the portrait video is something that I showed you with Avatar 4. Those were short clips that you can make for your social media channels. But if you're looking at longer explainer videos where you can use one of the avatars that HeyGen has, then you can go with the landscape video. This is when you're creating a video from scratch, but you can also use any of their templates here. They have around 63 templates, but I'm sure they'll keep adding more and more templates as the weeks go on. You can pick any of the explainer video templates, you can pick L&D templates, you can pick e-commerce templates. Any template that suits your brand, you can just go ahead and pick that template, and you can start editing it, and it'll make your job a lot easier. But if you want to start from scratch, then you can just select this option and then hit create landscape video. Now this is the pre-selected avatar and also the voice. But if you want to change this, you can just hit the drop down button here, and you can select replace avatar. And then all these different avatars will be loaded here. You can pick any of these different avatars. You can also use the filter on top. Similar to the filter that I showed you previously, you can use any of these filters, or you can simply select one of the avatars here. And then you can go with any of these different looks. Let me just select this one for the purpose of this demo. Then you can select the voice. Based on the avatar you have selected, it would have pre-selected a voice for you. But if you don't like that, you can just select this option and then go to the HeyGen library to pick any of these voices. Just make sure the voice that you've selected matches the avatar that you've just selected. Make sure there's no mismatch. So to keep things simple for this demo, let me just go with the pre-selected option. And then on the right side, you can make changes to the background. You can either have a plain background, or you can select any of these images. You also have the option to select any of these videos as your background. So let me just go with this image, and as you can see, the background has changed from plain white to the study table behind him. And then you also have the option to add different elements to your video. So these are optional, but to keep things simple, just make sure you change the background. You also have the option to remove the logo. And now for the most important thing, you would have to enter a script here. So let me just enter a simple script here. I would want this to be a short explainer video for WorkNew, an AI-powered freelancer platform that I'm building. And to keep things simple, I'll just add one more scene here and enter a different block of text. So my script is ready. I would have to make sure that the background is consistent for the second scene. So let me just select the background. And now that these different elements from my video are ready, I'll just hit the generate button. You just have to wait a few seconds before your video is ready. Since this is just a 40-second video clip, it didn't take much time, but I'm pretty sure if it's a longer video, then you'll have to wait for a few more minutes. So let me just play this video for you and you can judge the quality for yourself.
If you've ever tried hiring a freelancer online, you know how messy it can get. Endless profiles, generic pitches, way too much back and forth. That's exactly why we built WorkNew. WorkNew is an AI-powered platform that connects businesses with the right freelancers instantly. No scrolling, no guesswork, just smart matching that actually works. And if you're a freelancer, it works just as well for you. We help you get discovered by clients who are already looking for your exact skills. It's fast, it's simple, and it's built for how people work today. Welcome to WorkNew.
So that's the 40-second AI generated video for you. It's still rough around the edges. I would want him to be a little more cheerful, but I'm pretty sure I can change that as I play around with the tool. I'm pretty sure by now you would have got a fair idea as to how you can use the tool. There are two ways you can do it. You can just directly jump into Avatar 4, which is their latest model, or you can go through the regular style. If you want to create landscape videos, then you can just start creating video from scratch by hitting the create video button. So that was just a quick demo of how HeyGen works, and this is the tool you'll be getting with AppSumo's AI bundle. You'll not just be getting 1 year access to HeyGen, but you'll also be getting 1 year access to Fathom and Speechify. It's a complete AI bundle for you. And just before I sign off, I just want to show you what's included. You can of course create unlimited videos, but your video duration can't be longer than 30 minutes. You also get 5 minutes of Avatar 4. That's the video that I first created when I started this demo. Like I said, they are more suited for these 30-second, 60-second social media videos. So you get 5 minutes of Avatar 4 per month, and you also get access to 700 plus stock video avatars. You can click the link in the description to check out AppSumo's AI bundle. And if you're really interested in trying HeyGen out along with Fathom and Speechify, this would be the best time for you to grab this bundle at a throwaway price. You'll just be paying $39 for a bundle which is worth $756. Remember, you will not be getting lifetime access to any of these tools. You'll just be getting 1 year access, but that's ample time for you to get value out of these tools. So if you're interested, do check out AppSumo's AI bundle. Once again, reminding you that the link is included in the description. Do check it out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found this tutorial of HeyGen useful, and I'll be back very soon with a new video.